All right, here we go. Good luck, Keith. Gonna do a box of 2014 Prizm Draft Picks Baseball. Good luck, man. There's something in there. Michael Conforto Red Prizm. That is numbered 28 of 100. David Dahl Prizm. First autograph. Oh, orange auto. Matt Morgan Prizm. Jordan Schwartz Prizm. Nick Torres Blue. 97 of 199. Orange, Brett Graves. That was going to be gold. That was going to hit you a second gold. 14 of 60. Monty Harrison Prizm. And Austin Gomber Blue Mojo. 14 of 75. Space. All right, our first autograph is gonna be orange. Jacob Gatewood. Orange Prizm Auto. Milwaukee Brewers. That is number 2 of 60. Second auto, Sean Newcomb Press Proof autograph. So it's 162 of 199, Sean Newcomb. Our second orange is Raisel Iglesias, Cincinnati Reds. $39 of 60. And our final autograph of the box, Dalton Pompey for the Toronto Blue Jays. Base Prizm Auto. Nice. Nice little box. Thank you, Keith.